How to send WooCommerce New Order data to Google Sheets. Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to send WooCommerce New Order data automatically to Google Sheets. This integration will help you keep track of your sales, manage data in real time, and avoid manual data entry. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins and click Add New. Search for a plugin that integrates WooCommerce with Google Sheets, like WooCommerce Google Sheets integration. Install and activate the plugin. Next, you'll need to set up Google Sheets API, so go to the Google Cloud Console and create a new project. Enable the Google Sheets API and generate your API credentials. Copy the API key and return to your WooCommerce settings. Now, head back to WooCommerce, Settings, Google Sheets. Paste your Google Sheets API key in the appropriate field. Also, you'll need to link your Google Sheets document where the new order data will be saved. In the plugin settings, map the WooCommerce order fields like the order ID, customer name, and product to the columns in your Google Sheets. This setup ensures that every new order automatically gets synced with the right data columns in your Google Sheets. Once everything is set up, it's time to test them, so place a test order on your WooCommerce store. After completing the order, check your Google Sheets to ensure that the data appears in the correct columns. If it does, your integration is successful. And there you have it. You've now connected WooCommerce to Google Sheets, allowing you to automatically send new order data without manual work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.